Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today, welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I'll show you this type of manipulation and all the things in step by step. And here you're just watching here, this one is the background and here is the light effects, and here is the grasses in underwater, and here is the water, and here is the light balance and color lookup, and then the girl and the splash light, and here the other splashes, and here is another light layer, color lookup again, and other stuff. So if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So at first I'll go to the file and open up. Here is our background, that is the tree background, and I'll open it up, and after that I'll add the water. Go to the file and place embedded. Here is the underwater and place embedded options, and make it a little bit bigger like that. So place here and hit the tick button and right press restylize the layer. I'll cut the upper portion, so go to the rectangular marquee tool and select this portion and just press the delete. Select this layer and then delete this, and press Ctrl D for the deselect this one, and then I'll just mask it. After masking this one, go to the brush tool, take the first one brush, and the pixel will be 175 and the opacity 100%, and just draw here. So when you are drawing, be careful about the tree. If you need, you can down the fill or opacity. It will help you to just draw this one, so it will help you a lot to draw. Okay, that's fine. Make it smaller and then again draw this one. Carefully draw this area. Okay, that's good. And make the white portion and give the flow 25% around. It will help you out to make more perfect and precisely do that. So it's almost done, and here I'll just make it back, and here some portions, so that's good. And you have to adjust the pixels, so yeah, give time here for the perfection. Yeah, it's done. And now I'll add some grasses underwater. So what should I do? Just select this layer, go to the file and place embedded options, and here is a grass, and make it bigger like that, and place here, and just right press restylize this one, and then so mask this one and select the gradient options here, and this gradient I'll take and make it black when this one is white, and just draw like that. So that's good. And here as well, so this one is good, and take this one in the back side, so that's fine. And select this layer as well and select the mask options and little bit, yeah, that's fine. It will match with the this one is underwater grasses and this one is a tree. And after that, go to the file and place embedded options and insert this moon. This one is a stock PNG, and I'll give you that PNG download link in my video description. So hit the tick button and go to the file again and place embedded. Here is the girl, our main subject, and make it a little bit bigger, and press the shift button and just rotate this one, and I'll rotate this one like this, and hit the tick button, right press and restylize. And now I'll mask it, and after masking this one I'll make it a little bit bigger. Okay, that's fine, and I'll take it like this, and yeah, that's good. And now select this mask, and when this one is white, make it black, and go to the brush tool again, and flow will be like around 30 degree, and the opacity will be a little bit down, and make it bigger. The brush size, by pressing the third bracket opening and closing, it will help you out to make it like that. So now brush carefully here and this portion as well. So that's good. Yeah, if you need, you can make it bigger and brush carefully. So now I'll down the light of this portion. So what should I do? Take new blank layer, right press, and make it create clipping mask. After create clipping mask, press D for the reset this palette foreground and background color, and go to the brush tool and take the first one brush, and now down the flow and the opacity like around 33%, and now brush this portion. So this portion will be like de-highlighted just because of underwater, you know that it will be de-highlighted, and not the light will be same in underwater. So now that's fine. Yeah, that's good. And make it white and just draw here something, so it will make more sense. So that's fine. Yeah, it's look like in this underwater. So after that, just go to the file and place embedded. Here is the splashes, this splash, and now just make it like this, and that's fine, and hit the tick button. And now I'll make it like screen mode or the lightening mode, and then just mask this one and take the brush and brush over here. So in the mask options, it will be more like realistic if you brush it properly. So if you need, you can turn the opacity up and the flow up. It will help you out to brush it. So here in this portion as well. So when you are brushing this one, be careful if this one is perfect or not. So now this one is a little bit realistic. I'll take a new blank layer and go to the brush, and then make the opacity 100% and flow 100%. Select once, press Ctrl T and make it bigger, and just place this one here. A little bit light is coming from the left side. Yeah, we're almost done. Now I'll select this one, this water, and go to the adjustment layer and brightness and contrast and mask it, and I'll down the brightness like that. Yeah, that's good. And now I'll select all the layers. Before that, unlock this one, select all the layers and make it group, and after that go to the adjustment layer and the levels. From here I'll adjust the light. Yeah, that's good. And then adjustment layer again and color lookup. From here I'll select this type of color and select all the things, make it again group and make it merge. After merging, go to the filter, Nik Collection, and color effects Pro 4. From here I'll add an effect that is from the color effects Pro 4. This one is another plugins of the Photoshop. I'll give you that download link in my video description. So from here I'm using the cross processing options, and I'll choose the color like that and hit the OK button. So it will take time to load it up and give you the final output. Okay, it's saving the image. Yeah, we are almost done. So this one is our tutorial. If you need any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section, and do subscribe for the new notifications and new tutorials, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Until the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.